Welcome to today's video where we dive into the concept of just-in-time, or JIT, a pivotal element in lean manufacturing. Just-in-time is a production strategy to reduce flow times within production systems and response times from suppliers and customers. Envision it as a lean, efficient approach where materials are produced or procured only as needed, no sooner, no later. This method traces back to Japanese manufacturing practices, especially Toyota's production system. The goal is to minimize waste, particularly excess inventory, and improve overall efficiency. With JIT, companies can decrease their inventory costs, reduce the wastage of resources, and ensure a quicker response to market demands. Here's how it works. Under the JIT system, inventory levels are maintained at the absolute minimum level necessary to keep the production process going. Orders are made frequently, but in smaller quantities, hinging on customer demand rather than forecasts. This reduces the chances of overproduction and the subsequent wastage associated with unsold inventory. Moreover, JIT fosters stronger supplier relationships. With this system, businesses rely heavily on suppliers, who must be dependable and capable of delivering materials promptly and consistently, often within hours. This close collaboration aims to synchronize production steps from raw material procurement to the finished product. However, implementing JIT does come with challenges. The reliance on timely supplier deliveries means that any disruption, whether due to natural disasters or logistical issues, can halt production. Moreover, a JIT system requires a cultural shift within the organization, promoting a continuous improvement ethos and flexibility. To summarize, just-in-time and lean manufacturing is about efficiency and responsiveness. It's a systematic approach to ensuring that production processes align closely with actual demand, enhancing competitiveness and reducing waste. As industries continue to evolve, adopting JIT principles can lead to significant operational advantages, driving businesses towards sustainable success. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. This is Kevin from Infinilean. See you in the next episode.